Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the color on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select Personalization on the left side. And then on the right, you want to go down underneath Colors, Accent Color, Transparency Effects, Color Theme. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you have the ability to go ahead and adjust your color, whether it be light, dark, or custom theme. And then you can also adjust transparency effects and then accent colors if you want it to be automatically selected alongside your desktop wallpaper or manually. That's your personal preference. And if you go down near the bottom where it says custom colors, if you click inside view colors, you can add a custom color or RGB code right here, and it will give you a little warning if Windows thinks it'll be hard for you to read. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.